And so you're paying big bucks, and then you have an extra 2 hours, an hour and a half or 2 hours added to an 8-hour day. You're saving yourself an incredible amount of money. Hey there, everybody. Scavenger Steve back here with you. And today I want to talk to you about a topic that has to do with guarding against being overcharged. And now most of the time, the most ideal thing is if you hire somebody for roofing or flooring or electrical, plumbing, landscaping, or whatever, the most ideal is to take bids or quotes and go with that so you don't have to keep track of somebody's time. But a lot of times you have a repair, you want to call in electrical, John Smith's electrical contractors, or John Smith and Sons plumbing, or whatever, and they have to go by the hour because they have too many variables, and they, instead of just saying, well, I need so many dollars to do this job, they go by the hour, so they're writing their time down. And my message to you today is to be right there, because everybody cheats a little bit. And why? Because we're all human beings. We all want to give ourselves the benefit of the doubt. That's our protective shield. In every case, almost 100% of all human beings, doesn't matter what they do, if they're in a situation like that, you bring them to your house or your business, and they have to repair a stove or a dishwasher, a refrigerator, a plumbing crisis, or an electrical problem, whatever it is. You'd be better off to clear your calendar. Even if you have, unless you're in the middle of an emergency, clear your calendar, just stand right there, meet them when they get there, have that door unlocked right when they're pulling up. If you're anticipating they need an extension cord, have an extension cord already ran. If they need water, if you're thinking that they just might need water, have a water hose already hooked up and ready to go. Any obstacles in their pathway from the time they open the door to the time they walk through the basement and to the far corner, wherever the problem might be, have all those obstacles cleared out of their way, and stand right there and be nice to them, but let them know that you're counting their time. You're holding them accountable. Because if you don't, I guarantee you they're going to add 15 or 20 minutes or more startup time. They're going to add another 15 to 30 minutes over their lunch hour. They're going to add another 15 to 30 minutes in quitting time. And everybody gives themselves the benefit of the doubt like that. They add a little time, and if they don't, this big bad world will swallow them up. And that's their protective shield, by rationalizing that they need to do that. Because we're all human beings, and we all do that when you think about it. So what I'm saying is, stand right there. You're going to need a contractor from time to time that has to go by the hour because you have undetermined variables. And so they're going to go by the hour, even though you might want them to give you a contract price. And like I said, they'll very quickly add an extra an hour and a half to 2 hours to an 8-hour day. And they will, just as quick as you blink. And you'll pay yourself big bucks, as we say here in the Midwest. You'll pay yourself big dividends by clearing your calendar and standing right there. Like I said, you're unlocking every door, you're opening every window, you've got your extension cord there, you've got it plugged in, you've got it ready to go, you've got the garden hose there, it's already hooked up, it's ready to go, and you're standing right there to hand that man or woman, whoever it is, a wrench, or you're going to turn on a light switch, or you're going to do this or that. You'll pay yourself dividends. And when these people, plumbers, are charging $90 to $110, $115, $120 an hour here in Iowa, and then if they have a helper, they charge an additional $30 or $40 or $50 for a journeyman helper. And so you're paying big bucks, and then you have an extra 2 hours, an hour and a half or 2 hours added to an 8-hour day. You're saving yourself an incredible amount of money. Just had to do this video, just sitting around the house today, and I'm doing one of these little studio videos where I don't have workers working in the background. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this, and we'll see you next time. This is Scavenger Steve reminding you to go seize the day and scavenge your way, and find me on YouTube and give me a like. See you the next time. Bye-bye.